twin turbo. That thing said LS3. Look at this. Good God. We be putting money into these vehicles, man. Excuse my bad. Man, this is insane. Turbo diesel. That's crazy. That's this one. Hop back in my ride. Damn. Oh shit. Look at all these cars. This is crazy. Oh goddamn. This giant. Yeah. Dang. Oh, let me just, I don't know how to eat it. Golly. Yeah, see that one more? Look at the interior. That is insane. Golly. It ain't look like it's been driven. Golly. I got a handle? Okay, put my jump back in. Hey. I don't know, I'm scared. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Man, that one right here, this is crazy. Look, man, I missed a catch. Dang. Then it's like a satin green. Let me find the cat. I gotta go get me. Gotta go cat again. Got to go cat again. No, I ain't gonna lie to you. I bet this whole car got like, how many miles on that jump car you think? I got 2 miles on it. Alright, what's a Viper? How the fuck out there? This the Viper. Oh, these folks got money. They look like they got money. Look at the Viper. What the world? Ooh-wee. That's a big ass hood. With the V10. That's crazy. Oh God. I don't run nobody over. What the hell is that? That's not no fuel can. And the fact is, I got a scooter and I didn't bring it. I'm stupid as shit. I paid $8 for the jank and I got a scooter. Let's go see some other stuff. Oh, God. I ain't even got that scooter. Got that scooter Hey. want to do one of these. I ain't lying. It is so hard. It is too hard. Can't even. That was so worth it. It worked. I ain't gonna lie, I just spent like $110 for the scooter, and it was $30 to get in there. I swear to God, I was like, goddamn, $30. Then I said $30. I was like, okay, you know what? I was like, might as well. I ain't turning around. So it was a good experience. Now I'm gonna go to sleep and get some food because I ain't ate since yesterday. So that's what I'm gonna do. And pick my load up at 2 a.m. It is now, it's just 12:30. I said I wanted to leave at 12:30, and now it is 12:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust a move down this doggone long head road. Appreciate you, Nashville. But it was good. It was a good experience. I ain't lie. I like doing stuff like that. I want to do more stuff like that, just going out of town type stuff. But I ain't like going to this joint made me want an old school. Not like an old school, but like it's an 05 Vet or something like that, and just put some shit on it, call it a day, and just dog it. Cause you know, anything I'm gonna use, I'm a dog. Look at that junk. If you saw it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to this Love's or this truck stop, so I go ahead and go to sleep and dry off and some shit. Cause I need it. It was a little warm, but that little scooter had made it better though. So appreciate you, Ned. I'm gonna go ahead. I might make this into a video. I don't know. The S10 action. You heard me? I love cars, bro. I love cars. I swear to you. I interrupt my sleep, my rest to go see some cars. So y'all be saying, hopefully it turned out to be some. I'm gonna go and put it together. Cause why not? It's just on me. I'm on the road right now. It's a little on the road experience with the truck and all that stuff. Yeah, I am driving with one hand. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. If you want to call the company, okay, woo. Because some of y'all niggas snitch niggas. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all just snitches. But it's all good because, nigga, hey, we got the wheel over here. It's whatever. And ain't got no seatbelt on. Y'all ready? Y'all give my ass 5. I'm gone.